Oh no! Breaking news! The YouTuber known as Steven the Name has missed the light switch. The YouTube community is outraged. Everyone is panicking. We've got our guy Mike on the scene now. Mike, to you.
Yes, thank you, Tom. We are at the scene where this YouTuber allegedly missed. As we can see here, we've got the light switch. It is very average. Got two of these screws, got on and then off. But that's not the important part. The important part is, how did he miss this? It's so easy. See? Woo! I missed!
Technical difficulties have arisen. Please stand by.